Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We still explain how to use Signal Private Messenger step by step. Today we will learn how to get details for message like time of sending and receiving. Let's get started and see how can we do that. Click on Signal app icon. Press on this contact. Tap on whole message which you want to get details of sending and receiving. Like this. After that, press on this sign. You can find here date and time of sending. And here you can find when contact person reads this message. That's it. If this is your first time or watching my videos, please make sure to hit subscribe to get all new videos. Also consider like, share and comment. We will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.